So next we move on to the further question. So listen carefully now. Okay. So quadrilateral has certain vertices. You know that vertices 4 பக்கம் இருக்கக்கூடிய value. So quadrilateral னா 4 பக்கம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, parallelogram மாதிரியோ இல்லை rhombusஓ இல்லை ஸ்கொயரோ whatever is there. Okay. So A, B, C, D. Show that the midpoints are parallelogram. What is the meaning of midpoint? Suppose I am taking this as P, this as Q, this as R, and this as S. It's clear? So a parallelogram consists what? Some midpoints. Because the question has to show that the midpoints are parallelogram. In previous model we done the sides of a parallelogram, the sides of the parallelogram. Now joining the midpoints now first. This is one of the biggest sum. What I told earlier last, no, the same thing here is little big. So you have to find out what midpoint of this all sides. You know the value of only A, minus 4 comma minus 2. What is B? 5 comma minus 1. What is C? 6 comma 5. And what is D? Minus 7 comma 6. Minus 7 comma 6. So this is the things you have to follow in that. So before writing you check the questions because you will make some mistake. So I will check the question once again. Minus 4 comma minus 2, 5 comma minus 1, 6 comma 5, D வந்து minus 7 comma 6. Okay. So now listen. Midpoint P, Q, R, S. You have to find out the midpoint of all the 4 sides. It's clear? Now, how will you find out the midpoint? We already know that to find out the midpoint. In previous exercise we thought, and beginning itself I thought, what is the formulas used for a midpoints? Midpoint of AB is what? P. Now we are finding P, the value of P. So what is the formula? X1 plus X2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. X1 plus X2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So now we have to substitute. What is the value? X AB, yeah, minus 4, 5. Minus 4 plus 5 divided by 2. Likewise here, minus 2 minus 1 divided by 2. Divided by 2. What will we get now? See, 1 by 2. Why? Because 5 minus 4 is 1. Here, minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. It's clear now? So 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 by 2. Here there is minus 1. And what? Y1 plus y2 liya, minus 2 minus 1 will be 2. Minus 3 by 2. Now midpoint of what? BC. Midpoint of BC. So you have to find out midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC is what? Q. Is Q. So you have to find out that. Okay, midpoint of BC is what? Q. Now take BC as x1, x2. 5 plus 6. Directly I written first one as a formula. No need to write the formula for other things. Take out that x1 plus x2. 5 plus 6 by 2, comma, minus 1 and plus 5 divided by 2. So x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2. It's clear? 11 by 2, comma, 4 by 2, or we can also write that 11 by 2 comma 2, because it will go as a 2 times. So this is the midpoint of what? BC, that is Q. You got the answer for Q is what? 11 by 2 comma 2. You got the answer for P is what? 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. So you got the answer for both. Now you have to find out R. So midpoint of CD is R. Midpoint of CD is R. CD. So 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7 by 2. Then 5 plus 6 by 2. 5 plus 6 by 2. So what will we get? Tell that what will we get? Here there is minus 1 by 2. 7 plus 6 pochna 1, since minus is greatest. Next 11 by 2. So this is the value for what? R. It is clear? Next, find out midpoint of, last one, midpoint of DA. Midpoint of DA or AD. DA is S. It is clear? Now, what are the 2 points here? DA, minus 7 minus 4. Minus 7 minus 4. Minus 7 minus 4 by 2, comma 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 by 2. So what will we get here? Minus 7 minus 4 will be minus 11 by 2, and this will be 4 by 2. 4 by 2. It is clear now? So all the midpoint you have got. So for third one, for R what you have got? Minus 1 by 2. For second one, 11 by 2. Then for S, minus 11 by 2, 4 by 2 is nothing but what? We can also write this what? Minus 11 by 2 comma 2, because 2 times we will go. Minus 11 by 2 comma 2. Okay. After finding all the mid values, now we have to come that question. Show that midpoints are parallelogram. Show that the midpoints are parallelogram. That is P, Q, R, S. What is the rules for parallelogram? What we had done in earlier sums? Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal in parallel. Okay. PQ and SR should be equal. PS and QR should be equal. Then it is a parallelogram. For that conditions you have to prove it now. So first, what? Slope. Slope of PQ and SR. You have to find out. PQ and SR. Fraction la varum. Careful ah paru. Since it is in fraction, you have to be look at carefully. So slope of PQ is equal to, already you know the formula, y2 minus y1. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of PQ. Now you have to take this both point. 1 by 2. Which one? This is x1 y1, x2 y2. First one y2, 2. Then y1 minus 3 by 2. But here you have to write down plus 3 by 2. Minus into minus plus. Listen carefully because it is dealing with fraction. Now, okay. So y, these two, P and Q you are taking, Q will be 2 and P la vandu point minus 3 by 2, that is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now we have to calculate. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 by 2 divided by, here both are fractions since it is same. 11 le 1 pochina another, here there is 11, 11 11 pochina 10, 10 by 2, so 10 by 2. Okay, 2 2 cancel, equal to 7 by 10. The first term we have proved, 7 by 10. Now SR should be get the same answer. SR should be get the same answer. Slope of SR, slope of SR, same condition. What is that? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So be careful, here also it will be a fraction. These both you have to take. Which? SR. It's clear? SR means y2 will be 11 by 2. 11 by 2 minus 2. It's clear? y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. So 11 by 2 minus 2 divided by, next minus 1 by 2, here there is minus means plus, plus 11 by 2, minus 1 by 2 plus 11 by 2. So now what will we get here? After saying 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, mixed fraction, 2 2s are 4, 11 la 4 pochina 7, 7 by 2 divided by, since both are same, 11 la 1 pochina 10, 10 by 2, so 2 2 cancel, equal to 7 by 10. So one of the side we are verified, one of the side are verified. What you have to write? Slope of PQ is equal to slope of QR, not QR, SR. PQ equal to slope of SR. ரெண்டும் ஈக்குவலாக இருந்தால் என்ன அர்த்தம்? Parallel. So PQ is PQ and SR are parallel. PQ and SR are what? Parallel. It's clear? Now still you have to find out two more sides. Till you have to find out two more sides. What are the two more sides? PS and QR. PS and QR. Minus 1 by 2, 11 by 2. It's clear? Next. See now, slope of, what do you have to take? Slope of PQ is there, PQ finished, SR you finished. Now you have to find out PS. Slope of PS equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 as usual. So now PS, you have to take P and S. y2 will be 2. y2 will be 2 minus y1 will be minus 3 by 2. Okay, y1 will be minus 3 by 2. அப்போ இங்க வந்தா plus 3 by 2. Plus 3 by 2. Now divided by minus 11 by 2. 11 by 2. Which one? x2. x1 will be minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So now 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. It's clear. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3 will be 7. 7 by 2 divided by, both are minus. Minus 12 by 2. 2 2 cancel, equal to 7 by minus 12. 7 by minus 12. Why? Because here there is plus half, inge varumbodhu minus half. Already minus is here, I written minus. Here minus 3 by 2, inge varumbodhu plus 3 by 2. Now we have to take slope. Slope of QR. Slope of Q, not QR. Yes, QR. PQ, we have taken SR. Okay. Same, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So what do you have to take? QR. Y2 will be 11 by 2. 11 by 2. Y1 will be 2 minus 2 divided by, next x2 will be minus half. Minus half. And this will be 11 by 2. What? Here there is plus, so minus 11 by 2 equal to 2 2s are 4. 11 4 pochna 7. 7 by 2 divided by, and the point la eludhiyachi. Okay, so that's why I will repeat. So here also minus 12 by 2. Since both are same, 2 2 cancel, equal to what? 7 by minus 12. 7 by minus 12. So now you have to what? Same what you have written there. Slope of PS equal to slope of QR. Both are same. That is minus 7 by 12 minus 7 by 12. This is not a minus. Only is equal. 7 by 12. Okay. So therefore what? PS and QR is parallel. PS and QR will be parallel. Therefore what? ரெண்டுமே parallel இருந்தா PQRS is a parallelogram. So that much of big sums is there. You have to carry out within the time. See, I repeat here, very very important different sums. I already told in the diagram itself what one of the quadrilateral, what is that? A, B, C, D is given. Okay. So P already na varanjirukka adha P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S. This P, Q, R, S is a parallelogram. ஏற்கனவே இது parallelogram தான். இதையும் parallelogram னு அவங்க ப்ரூவ் பண்ண சொல்றாங்க. Midpoint of all the sides. Midpoint of all the sides. That is P, Q, R and S. It's clear? Okay. I already started from here. Okay. Just I am recalling. I started from here. Midpoint of AB is what? P. So you know the formula to find out this x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So according to the diagram, already the value is written. Okay. So after returning that, 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 by 2. Minus 2 minus 1 add panano, minus 3 by 2. In the same way, midpoint of BC is Q. Okay. So no, I not written the formula because first I written. So 5 plus 6 by 2, 5 minus 1 by 2. So 11 by 2, 4 by 2. 5 ல 1 போச்சுனா 4. So இதை cancel பண்ணலாம். இதெல்லாம் cancel பண்ண முடியாது. அதனால நம்ம fractionல எடுத்துறோம். Cancel பண்ண முடியும். ஆனா 5.5 நம்ம அங்க fractionல எடுத்துறோம். That will be different. So 11 by 2. So now third midpoint of CD is what? R. Midpoint of CD is what? R. So substitute the value and we are getting this. 7 less 6 pochina 1. Since minus is greatest, therefore minus 1 by 2. So when you add it, you will get that 11 by 2. In the same way, midpoint of DA. Midpoint of DA is yes. Midpoint of DA is what? Yes. Substituting the value, both are minus. So minus 11 by 2. Here 4 by 2. So 2, 4 will be cancelled. So that's why I written that. Okay. Next. Midpoint, 4 midpoint kandupidichachu. The answer for this and this. Okay. But the question is asked to 5 minutes. So midpoint of P, Q, R, yes. So now we know that how we have to find once you got the value of the side of the parallelogram. So slope of PQ equal to, you know this formula. I am substituting the value of what? Y2 minus Y1. So mixed fraction as I informed. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 by 2. Here both are same. It is not a mixed fraction. Okay, like fraction. So this is 11. 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Appo 11 la 1 pochna 10. Rendume same mark. LCM will be 2. So 2 2 cancel. 7 by 10. In the same way, SR. I am substituting that value I have substitute. Same mixed fraction. 2 2s are 4. 11 minus 4. 7. 7 by 2. Likewise, since both are same, take out LCM as 2. 11 la 1 pochina 10. So same number will be cancelled. Therefore 7 by 10. So already we conclude that when both slope are equal, then it is parallel. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், opposite side வந்து parallel சொல்லிருக்கோம். எது? PQ and SR are parallel. Then continue in the third. Okay, slope of PS. So I substitute here same. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 by 2. LCM will be 2. Both are minus. You should add minus 11 minus 1 will get minus 12. 2 2 cancel. 7 by minus 12. Like that, slope of QR, same formula. So you substituting the value, mixed fraction, 2 2s are 4. 11 minus 4 is 7. 7 by 2. Since both are same, taken that 11 minus 1 minus 12 equal to 2 2 cancel, 7 by 12. So we conclude that slope of PS equal to slope of QR. Slope of QR. PS and QR is parallel. In the same condition what we have written, that one. So when opposite sides are parallel, these opposite sides are parallel. We previously done one of the sum. What? It is a parallel. ABCD is a parallelogram. In the same way, PQ, RS, PS, QR. All are what? Opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, PQRS is a parallelogram. So, what the question is told? Show that the midpoints are parallelogram. Midpoint என்றது PQRS. மைய புள்ளி. தமிழ்ல வந்து என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? மைய புள்ளி. BC க்கு மைய புள்ளி Q. AB க்கு மைய புள்ளி P. AD க்கு மைய புள்ளி S. DC க்கு மைய புள்ளி R. புரியுதா? இது தமிழ் மீடியமா இருந்தா என்ன கேட்பாங்க? மைய புள்ளியை காண்க அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு கேட்பாங்க. அப்போ நமக்கு மையம்னா நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியாது. மிட் பாயிண்ட்டும் ஈஸியாக கண்டுபிடிச்சிப்பேன். ஓகே, ஸோ பட் தே வில் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் இன் த மீனிங். ஸோ வி டேக் அவுட் திஸ் இஸ் த பிக்கஸ்ட் சம். ஸோ நோட் கேர்ஃபுல்லி. பட் வாட் த திங்ஸ் ஆல்ரெடி ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் அதெல்லாம் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறோம், அவ்வளோதான். புதுசாலாம் கிடையாது. மிட் பாயிண்ட்டை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம் 4, அதுக்கப்புறம் ஸ்லோப்பை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். ஸ்லோப்பு கண்டுபிடிச்சோன்னா சேமாக இருக்கான்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். இதில் ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு தப்பு நடந்தாவே முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. All thing will be waste. If any one mistake, for example 6 minus 7, 7ல 6 போச்சுன்னா 1 போட்டேன் இல்லையா, -1 போடலன்னா +1 போட்டிருக்கேன். சப்போஸ் மிஸ் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங்கில் 1 போட்டேன், அவ்வளோதான். அந்த ஸ்லோப் கண்டுபிடிக்க எல்லா இடமும் என்ன இருக்கும்? தப்பாக இருக்கும். அதனால் கொஞ்சம் பிக் சம் போடும்போது கேர்ஃபுல்லாக போடும். அதர்வைஸ் அது மாதிரி 5 minus 1 4, நீ மைனஸ் முதல்ல பார்த்துட்டு -4 போட்டிருந்தான்னு வச்சுக்கேன், wrong. So look out the sign carefully and solve it step by step. Okay, if you make a mistake, no use of doing all the things. Okay, if you done all well, if you done the mistakes here, இங்கே எங்கன்னா மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணோட கவலை இல்லை, you will get at least 3 marks out of 5. 3.5 marks will get surely if you not make the mistake in midpoint. மிட் பாயிண்ட்டை கரெக்டாக போட்டாவே உங்களுக்கு 3 மேக்ஸிமம் 3 கிடச்சிடும். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் இங்கே பேலன்ஸ் 2.5 வில் கெட் ஆன் தட். ஓகே, ஸோ லாஸ்ட் சம் இன் தட் எக்ஸசைஸ் வாட் ஐ கேவ். அந்த எக்ஸசைஸ் நான் என்னென்ன ஹோம்ஒர்க் சம் கொடுத்துருக்கோன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் மார்னிங்கே இங்கே எழுதி போட்டேன். நான் ஜஸ்ட் பார்த்துருப்பேன். 5th sum and 6th sum and one more sums is also homework. So what I gave the homework I will tell now. Note the point. Question number 12. So this will be 13. This will be 13. Already I drawn the diagram. This will be 13. Okay, 12th question will be a homework. Okay, so homework question number 12, page number 221. Okay, the question starts to show that ABCD is a trapezium. What is that? Trapezium. இதே மாதிரி தான் ஸ்லோப் 1 2 3 4 ஸ்லோப் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஆனால் அதில் வந்து என்ன இருக்கும்? ஒரு பேர் மட்டும்தான் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும், இன்னொரு பேர் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்காது. ஓகே, this is a trapezium. Okay, this side and this side will be same answer will get. Same answer will get. But second set, suppose நீ second set இதை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா this answer will be get different. trapeziumல 4 ஆன்சரில் 2 ஆன்சர் சேமாக இருக்கும், இன்னொரு 2 ஆன்சர் வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். அதாவது ஸ்லோப் ஆஃப் ஒன் சைடு இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஆப்போசிட் சைட்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல், பட் அனதர் சைட் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 will be same answer, 3 and 4 will not get same answer. அப்படி இருந்தால் தான் ABCD is a trapezium. பட் parallelogram இது ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கணும், அது ரெண்டும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கணும். பட் இங்கே என்ன எழுதணும்? ஸ்லோப் ஆஃப் PS is not equal to அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு எழுதணும். ஏன்னா செகண்ட் செட் வந்து நாட் ஈக்குவல் வரும். இட் இஸ் நாட் ஏ பேரலல். பார்க்கும்போது டயக்ராம் பார்க்கும்போது தெரியும் இது ரெண்டும் பேரலல் கிடையாது, இது ரெண்டு தான் பேரலல். ஸோ அந்த ஒரே ஒரு வித்தியாசம் தான் அந்த ஹோம்ஒர்க் சம்மில். ஓகே, ஆப்போசிட் சைட்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் இன் ஒன்லி ஒன். ஓகே, ஒரு ஆன்சர் மட்டும்தான் சேமாக இருக்கும், இன்னொரு ஆன்சர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். அப்படி இருந்தால் தான் அது ட்ரெபீசியம்.